So tatanungin natin dito, ano ba yung papel ng Espiritu Santo sa vocation discernment? Pero bago natin sagutin yon, kailangan mo natin unawain ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng vocation discernment. At bago natin unawain ang vocation discernment, tatanungin din natin ano bang ibig sabihin ng vokasyon. At tatanungin natin ano bang ibig sabihin ng discernment, and then towards the end of my talk, we will connect the role of the Holy Spirit in vocation discernment. Is that okay with you? Vocation comes from the Latin word vocare. Ulitin nyo nga. Vocare means to call. Tawagin. Ang tanong, sinong tumatawag? Ang tumatawag ay ang Diyos. Sino ang tinatawag? Ang tinatawag ay ang tao. Who is the one calling? It's God. Who is being called? It's man. And God is calling man to a specific purpose and a particular way of life. Merong misconception sa bukasyon. Madalas, pagka binanggit na bukasyon, ang ibig sabihin daw niyan, pag may bukasyon ka, ibig sabihin magpapari ka o magmamadre. Ha? Eh paano yung mga hindi magpapari, hindi magmamadre? Ibig sabihin wala ng bukasyon? That's a very old misconception. Vocation to be called by God is not only para maging madre o para maging pare, kundi kasama dyan yung mga tinatawag na mag-asawa, para sa pag-asawa, at saka yung para sa mga tatandang binata at tatandang dalaga. Single blessedness. That's an old misconception. Now, to begin with, there are two dimensions or levels of vocation. Two levels in vocation. We have a common calling, and we have the second level, the specific calling. Sa common calling, general calling, tabla-tabla tayo rito. Before we talk about our particular calling or vocation, before we talk about being a priest, before we talk about being an animator or a catechist, before we talk about being a teacher or a sister or a sister, una po natin pag-uusapan sa bokasyon ay yung ating general and common calling. Eh ano yung common calling natin sa vocation? Sabi sa Catechism of the Catholic Church, right at the very first paragraph, sinasabi doon, we are being called by God to share in His divine life. You want me to read the whole text? You want? CCC paragraph 1. Sabi doon, God, infinitely perfect and blessed in Himself, in a plan of sheer goodness, freely created man to make him share in his own blessed life. For this reason, at every time and every place, God draws close to man. He calls man to seek Him, to know Him, to love Him with all his strength. The Father's will is to raise up men and women to share in His own divine life. The Father's will is to raise up men and women to share in His own divine life. Eh, ang tanong dito, sasabihin nyo, Father Steve, eh ano bang ibig sabihin na to share in the divine life of Jesus? Una, para maging bahagi sa divine life of Jesus, we are being called by God to be part of a worshiping community. Una sa ating general calling, we are being called to be part of